Let's lubricate the tire and the duck's head just to help the tire slip up over the rim. If you don't lubricate it, you run the risk of tearing the rubber on the tire or tearing the bead. Now, the pedal that rotates the deck, if you lift up with your foot, it backs up. If you press down, it goes clockwise. And we're going to go all the way around till the valve is back underneath the duck. Like that, we never strike the valve or the valve stem or the tire monitor if it's there. Bar down to the bottom, lift the tire up over the duck, back it up just a touch, and then continue. Tires off the rim without any damage.